reason in Westwood we don't give a fuck. Never a night just for the two of us. Wish for my time and for good or bad luck. My car got locked in the parking garage.
A few moments later.
The way we all came to get coffee at Lee's. Ooh. What'd you get? Damn, Jenny. Class is in session. I know it does feel like a library, huh? I'm trying to focus. You know what's funny? Everyone is converting to Sony cameras.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm just like, I want to too.
What was it before?
Wait, what size did you get?
Oh, I got regular.
Oh, you got regular?
She has to work later. She goes on the toilet.
Oh, true, Target.
Gotta buy something new. That's cool.
That's me.
So we're getting at Target then. You're like,
I know you guys are probably wondering if I was joking about pooping at Target.
someone has to poop.
Hey, remember what me and Trish said? Yes.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, okay. Backtrack. We went to the K-pop store because it's officially a store for us. They used to just come like every other week just as like a pop-up, but now they have made it official store. The girls got albums. They got Twice albums, and then Jen also got like the mini Tay album. Yeah, this one, and then we went to Target and she got the full album because she wanted that Target exclusive. They did have NCT's album, the Golden Age one, but I also wanted a Target exclusive photo card, so I'm waiting for it to come into Target. I'm surprised they had it. Yeah, it's coming out next week. Oh, but I got a free photo card. Woo! It's Jay. The photo cards that they had, it didn't really fancy my taste.
Yeah, it's kind of limited.
Yeah. Oh, they had a lot of their decon. I got this one of Jay.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, Jay YP.
Oh, Chang. Oh, the little tiger's cute.
Oh my gosh, she looks like a doll.
Sana.
Mm-hmm.
Is she still your bias?
Yes. It's my bias too.
Dahyun?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my friend's gonna fight me for her.
Oh my god, this one's so cute.
Oh.
Dahyun is Dan's bias too. Mother.
I'm gonna rub you, Mama. Oh, is that your bias?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
that's
good.
This one's good.
Chewy?
Yeah.
Chewy?
Oh, this one's cute. Alright, Miss Jen, your turn.
Formula of love.
God damn, they give you a lot too. Maybe I should get a Twice. And then you get a postcard. Ooh.
Chewy?
Uh-huh. Look at her outfit. I forgot how to say her name.
Jonghyun?
Yeah, I don't have anything Twice.
Oh my god!
Chewy magnets.
Oh, group one?
Got a group one. Oh, I saw this one at the store.
Mint and lavender.
Ooh. Nope.
Jonghyun?
Oh!
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I'm gonna swipe one day with that and watch.
Mother? Mother? Ooh. This one. I don't want to bend it because it's not mine.
Shoulders.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I love the filter that they have.
It's like very like dreamy nostalgic.
Yeah, very
type of-
sunset.
Wait, is it you get
Golden
all
hour.
Or actually, I don't know.
Ooh, I love this angle. I love how they shot it. Mm-hmm. Now on the
From the
top,
top,
make it drop.
Oh.
Ooh, slow dancing. Okay, love me again. Ooh, blue.
Aww.
Oh, this one's cute.
Baby.
Ooh.
Finally have
For
more beads.
us.
I like that one.
Daddy.
She said the D word.
That dude.
Oh, no.
Oh, this the CD?
Just different angles.
It's like you and your J one.
Yeah, it's okay.
Check
I always look at y'all's. Ooh. Oh my god, he gives you so much. If you don't use this,
You have like 10.
He gives you a notepad, y'all. Checklist.
notepad. Ooh, oh my god, I love it. It's really boyfriend pics right there. Oh, wait, y'all. Ooh. Showing them the postcards. I really love this one. This is such a boyfriend shot.
I wish my shoulders could look nice.
I know, me too. I got football shoulders, y'all.
I got rugby shoulders.
Again?
Probably. So.
Damn.
Basically finished.
sequence.
Yeah, the sequence.
I mean,
Rainy days. Ooh, straight shot.
it's another angle.
Slow dancing. Ooh, blue. She got it. Love me again.
Give me my phone card.
Dude, you got like a lot from him.
Damn.
A few moments later.
We're almost done looking at you.
Hello everyone. Feel like I haven't made an intro for this vlog, so here I am late, or maybe 2 or a couple of days. I don't know, I don't keep track of my days anymore. Once you graduate, the days just kind of fly by you. I'm actually on my way to grab boba because I just wanted something to drink while I finish the last episodes of My Lovely Liar. Hello everyone, editor Linda here, and I am just hopping in because the saturation went a little crazy, so here I am refilming. But basically I was going to mention one of my new goals for this channel, and that is to put out more vlogs and not just shorts. And I usually only vlog when I go out of town or I'm doing something with, you know, like my friends, because I always had this thought that no one would watch, you know, my content if I'm not doing anything fun, which is why you would only see me post vlogs like once every other month or once every other month. But I feel like that's like a bit of a toxic mindset, because it's like also giving you guys this thought that I'm living a fun life when really I'm doing absolutely nothing majority of it. So I guess I just wanted to show you guys that you don't need like an aesthetic life, or you don't need to be doing something, you know, to vlog because you want to. This leads me, you know, to my next point. For the month of October and possibly the rest of the year, I am going to be uploading a vlog every week, specifically every Wednesday. I hope y'all look forward to seeing me every week. And yeah, without further ado, let's get back to the vlog. I knew it. Based off the color, I just knew that it wasn't going to taste matchy, and I was right. My sister, she got the pumpkin pie though. Oh my gosh, tastes so good. Tastes exactly like pumpkin pie. I would probably go back and get that because I love pumpkin pie.
너 예뻐.
아니 못생겼다고 한 번만 해줘봐봐.
너 못생겼어.
머리에 쏘인겨?
My god, I'm still so bright. If you guys want to blow up the toilet, go to Target. Let me in! Let me in! Ah, y'all let me in! I'm signal! I read a tweet this one day where it was about like my city, and they're like, people here will rather see you die than let you merge. And honestly, that is so true.